How to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can upload a PDF document to ChatGPT. Unfortunately, the feature to upload a PDF document is currently not available on ChatGPT. However, you can use this substitute website that will work just like ChatGPT. It's called chatpdf.com. After you've opened it on your browser, you can drop your PDF file over here. You can press the drop PDF file option available over there. It will open your file explorer. Then you can drag your PDF file over that section. Here I've dragged a PDF file called The Myth of Sisyphus by Albert Camus. Now the AI is going to take some time to analyze and then summarize your essay, and you can ask example questions as well. Also, you can ask direct questions to the AI. For example, I've asked the AI, was Camus a nihilist? And it has given me an answer based on the summary. And there you go guys, that is how you upload a PDF document to a ChatGPT like AI. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.